Dan Moskal here, and in this video we're going to do some affiliate marketing training. This is going to be the 101 video, and one of the first things you have to do to get started with affiliate marketing most often is to find either an affiliate network to work with. The affiliate network is going to be like the third party kind of broker, or you can work directly with a company. So let's just look at Amazon has an associates program, which is the same thing as their affiliate program. You could also just search affiliate networks to get an idea. Sometimes it will depend on what niche market you're working in. So we're going to add a banner to this website. It's about credit and credit repair, debt. It has bad credit cards, on it. Whoops, that's the wrong one, sorry. This is the site we're going to add ours to, and we'll go ahead and pull up the WordPress interface. So this is what it looks like right now. Credit repair help, credit cards for bad prepaid credit cards, collection agencies. Here's an article. If you look at our other YouTube videos, you can see us actually add this article and how we chose the inbound internal linking anchor text. So looking at our site, we have an advertisement up here. We could probably put an affiliate marketing. I say we stick it right here. And there's a few different ways we could do that, and I say we also stick one right there. So this is Google AdSense. Let's do that. So one of the affiliate networks that I work with is CJ, or Commission Junction. When you can work directly with a company, assuming that you have enough volume, well, some volume, I recommend it. But CJ has many offers. So these are all their all the companies that you can work with. Over 3,000. They used to have it by category. They just changed their interface. So let's go ahead and let's search credit repair, because we want to work with a credit repair company because our site is related to credit repair. Some credit cards would probably be good to put in there too. So I think there's supposed to be a little image that pops up right here. Alright, let's look at this just real briefly. So Capital Bank, this is a credit card. If we get a sale, it's $14. And here's a little bit more description right here. Some of the terms and services, like you might have to have this is a secured credit card. It might have to be funded first. And it'll tell you a little bit more. Here's program terms. Tell you a little bit more. This is a secured credit card. So we'll go ahead and we'll stick this one on first. We'll stick this one in the sidebar, and then we'll put the credit repair down there. So what we're going to do is click Capital. Man, they changed this. Where's the... Oh, get links, I'm sorry. They just changed this interface. So this is gonna, and you can, if you choose here, you can scroll down and look at all the different card art, or kind of the, what do they call it? Your choices for what you want to display, like the image. And we're just gonna do one in the sidebar. Our sidebar is less than, geez, don't know why that. All right. So right here is the size. You can see 160 by 60. The first number is first number should be the width, and then the second number the height. Yeah, that makes sense. First number is the width. So we're going to do 250 by 250 because on our website it won't fit a 300. 300 is kind of like the standard sidebar. We're going to play around and get some more themes here in some future YouTube videos to find a better theme that does give us a 300, so we could stick this in instead, 336 by 280 or 300 by 250. That's a common ad size. So get code is what we want to do. Now this way you can track your code if you want, or you could put in, your like the website that you're using. But this is what we really want right here, is just this stuff right here. And we're gonna just copy it all. And all we have to do, we're gonna keep this easy. Oops. We're gonna just put it in as a widget. If you have simple hooks, if you're using simple hooks, that's a great way to add it too. We have this top advertisement added with simple hooks. I think it's simple hooks, or it's like Genesis hooks. This is Genesis Frameworks theme, the news theme, by the way, if you are curious. So we're going to take this one, we're going to put it in the sidebar. We'll put it in between related and recent posts. So all we have to do is copy it in there and then press save. If you have a cache enabled on your WordPress site, you may want to turn that off briefly, or if we visit another page, we should be able to see ours. Boom, right there. So now if somebody doesn't click on our ad and they say, yeah, I do want a credit card with no credit check, and they click on this, and I imagine that it probably needs to be funded, but then if they apply and go through whatever the exact terms and conditions are, then we will get paid $14 for every person that does that and does whatever they require for their full terms and conditions. So we're going to go back and we're going to pick a credit repair company real quick, and we're just going to do it one more time. Credit repair. Whoops. Obviously search by anything you want. Searches such as debt would be another one, dating. There should be a way too to just view all the 3,000 advertisers by their promotion type also. Okay, so we actually are going to go back. Strange. We're going to do this one, the Credit Pros. We're going to click Get Links. Commission Junction has a pay-per-call interface, by the way, so you can put a phone number, and the Credit Pros actually offer a phone number, so we may do that after this video. But as you can see, we're trying to find a banner that is a good size and that'll fit in there. Alright, so they actually don't have a 180 by 250, or 250 by 250, sorry. So we're going to try this one. And if it doesn't work, then we're going to finish this video, but just so you can see one more time, all we have to do is click and get all this stuff, cut it, and if you want to use a JavaScript, you can do that one too. And in a video in the future, we will show you how to add your advertisements using some other methods. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the widgets. I'm curious why that came up at the top. It's supposed to come up down there. I wonder if we must have some sort of setting on our home page. You can change, obviously, as you can see, where the advertisement displays on different pages, as our home page has a different display setup. So we want to put this in at the footer. As you can see, this is where all this stuff goes. For our theme, this is footer number 1, this is footer number 3, and this right here in the middle is footer number 2. We want to go and put it in footer number 2. So we are going to expand footer number 2. We're going to take a text box, stick it in there, just copy the code. If you want, you can put advertisement up here or whatever you want. We're not going to put anything in for the time being. And we will visit a different page to see how it's changed. Cool, so that fits in at the bottom. But if they go here, and then there's going to be a video that plays. But if you put in, they put in their first name, their last name, their email, and fill out this, and then get a free evaluation. I think they have to speak to them, but we will get paid $5 just for the lead, which is pretty cool, because they don't actually have to buy the service. So anyways, this is Dan Moskal. You can pick up a copy of our book over here at Amazon. It's titled How to Create a Website Easy Button. You can also visit danmoskaluniversity.com for more tips. That link will be in the description. Please comment below. Let me know what you want to know next regarding affiliate marketing, and please like this video and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, and have a great afternoon.